love to do. So let's get started. Here in my first worksheet we have to fill the missing letters. So can you see I have 3 caterpillar here for you. In these red caterpillar we have few letters written on it and few are empty. So let's fill it. So look at the blue caterpillar first. Okay, so can you tell me which letter is there in the blue caterpillar first? That's letter F. So what come after letter F, everyone? That's letter G. So let's write letter G here. Next is letter H, then I, and then letter J. Very nice. You can use different colors, everyone, to make it more interesting. Now in next caterpillar, which is green in color, we have letter N first. Can you tell me what come after letter N, everyone? Right, that's letter O. Then we have letter P. Then what will come, everybody? That's letter Q. And lastly letter R. Good job. Now tell me what will come in the red caterpillar first, because it's nothing there. So to understand what will come here, first read this letter. That is letter S. So we have to think what come before letter S. Do you know? Yes, right. That's letter R, everybody. Then S, then T, then U, and lastly V, everyone. So now everybody, let's move to the second part of this worksheet, where we have to circle the small and letter. Now let's move to the second part of worksheet, where we have to circle the small letter of the capital letter. So first we have letter N here. Look at letter N here. Is this small n? No. This one? Yes. This one? No. But it looks like, because this is letter M. This one? No. This one? Yes. This one? No. Now look for the next letter, everyone. Next letter is letter R, everybody. Is letter R is this one? Next letter is letter R, everyone. Is this letter R? Yes. Is this letter R? No. This one? This one? Yes. This one? Yes. And rest two are not the letter R, everybody. Now let's move to the next one. This letter is letter D, everyone. So, is this letter D? No. This one? Yes. This one? No. This one? Yes. This one? No. This one? No, this is not D, this is B, but it looks like, so we are not going to circle it. And this one also no. So now everyone, our first worksheet is done. Let's move to the second worksheet. That is going to be fun for you. Now let's move to the second worksheet here. This is a fun worksheet for you, everyone. We have all the alphabets written over here from A to Z. So how many alphabets do we have, everybody? Yes, we have 26 alphabets. So what we have to do? We have to color it also, and we have to connect it with the dots from A to Z. So let's start from letter A, everybody. What come after A? B. Then C. Then D, E, F, G, H. Right, everyone? Now after H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, W, X, Y, Z, and let's match Z with A to connect it. Great! Can you see what we have done? We had made a fish here. So you can make it recyclable also, reusable also, or you can work directly on it so that it is easy for them to color it with crayons. I'll color it with the sketch here. So let's just color it. You can use any color you like, and all we have to just color it. Don't take the color out of the border line, okay everybody? So now you can see I made the scale also, and this way you can color it. So I hope you like my worksheet ideas. If yes, then please do smash the like button and comment me out for the more videos. And yes, please do comment me out. Your comments and like motivate me to do these activity ideas more. And yes, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. I will come next time with more worksheet ideas and activity ideas.